Just give a hi and everything. Oh, what's your name?
Shuang.
Shuang. Shuang. Hi, Shuang. I'm Chris.
Parang ang tanga. Kuya, anong video ba ito?
Video to, video. O siya na magsalita kasi. Po-focus kita.
Kuya, namumula ka, namumula rin ako. Alam na natin to.
So more vodka?
More and more. Oh, shit! Ah! Oh, God!
Hey, this one is video.
Ah! Oh, God! Ah! Exploit.
Can you please say something about this one?
Wow, I'm wrong. You see her curly hair? So nice.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, I know.
And how about these two lovely girls? Okay.
She's my manager, Wangyan. Sometimes she's really stupid, but most of the time she's really stupid.
Oh, that's true.
I'm so happy.
Amen.
And her boyfriend is hot.
Who?
Wangyan's boyfriend.
Wang Yan's boyfriend. I just need to focus on what.
Wangyan's boyfriend is really hot.
And I think this one's the really hot one. Oh, I think this one's the really hot one.
hot.
Oh, this is the hot.
The hot.
Oh,
Hot the hot.
let's do it.
Mama. Huwag mo kung tuksohin ng ganyan.
Oh.
Ano ko nga ganon? Kung sana mo, pamasok ka na alas 7 animal ka. Huwag kang gumawa ng bata ngayon, hayop.
Yung isang laptop niya.
Pare, konting lingon dito. Pakilala. Lloyd!
Dudes.
Oy, parang Lloyd.
Parang Lloyd. Chris.
Ay,
Uy, Chris, same.
pare ka to kayo.
That's mine.
Kanina pa kayo dito.
Kanino?
Ayaw nga pala, nakita ko na pala kayo. Si Lloyd lasing. Pag saan na makarating.
Kanino hindi makakarating? Pare, i-video natin yan. Ha? Kanino hindi makakarating? Ah, may asawa na ba? Bale, pare si Alfred. Single. Alfred?
Married.
Ha?
Single.
Nang wedding, huwag kayong mag-iin. Paano tayo makapamabahay niyan? Ha?
Wala pa.
Ah, wala pa. Yan. Parang meron ka na? Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Ako sila kilay. Ako rin. Single and available.
Pare, ganyan ang... Oh, Ryan.
Sinungaling.
Sabihin mo meron ka.
Ako?
Para tayo...
Ako?
Oh.
Di pa ako nakakainom. Wala. Kunyari lang yun. Di pa ako nainom, pero totoo yung sinasabi ko. Paparazzi.
Alright, speak.
Salamat.
Salamat for what?
Salamat.
My name is Tom Kiet. I from Malaysia. I work at Riverview Hotel.
Ha?
I'm her baby. Wow.
Okay, let's just talk about it more.
Eating.
Gush, you don't mind if I focus you?
Yeah, you're a sexy girl.
I'm sure you will be coming to work tomorrow. Okay?
You just be sure.
Together with this guy? Huh?
No. I wouldn't. Because I start work at 3 o'clock. It's going
Hey.
to be a good nap.
Hey, Kazim. Hey, man. How are you?
Hello, lasing ka na.
Oh, I'm not blank.